Welcome. If you want to create folders on home screen in your iPad Air first generation, at the first you have to click and hold one of the icon and then drag it for another icon just like that. As you can see, here we got our folder. We can add here other apps. It's very simple. We can also change name of that folder when you click and hold. Then tap on it once. Then click down outside. And we can easily add here other apps, as you can see. Click here, and as you can see, it's finished. We can move that folder like any other icon between the screens. It's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.